Welcome to the Tech Savvy GP Access to Patient Data Resources in PowerChart. First, launch PowerChart, and we'll go through this in fast motion. Then we'll get to the opening screen that will look a bit different for you, but it'll have the same icons up at the top there. And then we've got three key resources I want to go through. First is Pharmanet, which of course is the medication history for our patients province-wide. And then we've got UpToDate, which of course gives you clinical info. And then the last one is E-health Viewer. And I don't want you to access it there, but first we're going to show you what E-health Viewer provides, and then I'll show you how to access it. E-health Viewer is a repository of patient information from all the health authorities. You can see up in the top there, you can see encounters and labs and imaging and documents. And we'll just quickly look down each one of these. So for labs, you can see you're getting all the labs from many of the sources of lab data. Same with imaging and documents. And documents is particularly exciting because you can get some of those reports from the BC Cancer Agency and Women's and Children's Hospital, as well as you could get discharge summaries on patients from the mainland if your patient is from there. The other information I haven't looked at too closely, but I'll leave it to you to discover. Now let's show you how to get access to E-health Viewer. First, the most important thing is put in the patient's name here so you can bring up the chart first. So once you've selected and highlighted the patient you want, you'll notice that you won't be able to push the OK button down at the bottom. What you need to do is pick an encounter, and the rule of thumb I use is to pick the most recent patient encounter, and that allows you to click OK and open up the patient's chart in PowerChart. And then I want you to go to the menu on the left-hand side and pick E-health Viewer from here, and that allows the provincial health number to be loaded up into E-health Viewer, preventing you from having to type it in. And the user interface for the E-health Viewer is pretty simple. You'll see on the left-hand side a list of the data sources, and you can select what you want. And the only trick is to make sure this filter is selected correctly if you're not getting any data showing up. And then we can exit out of this, and once you get back to this screen, just use that house at the top there to exit out of that screen. So this has been the Tech Savvy GP, reviewing patient resources in PowerChart, making health IT better for you and me. I'm Ian B.